We're going to learn how to describe angles in plane shapes. So plane shapes have angles formed by two segments that share an endpoint. Jason drew this shape on dot paper. How can you describe the angles? So if we look at this shape here, we can see two circled angles. Each of those circled angles are what we call right angles. A right angle is an angle that forms a square corner. So it makes part of a square in that corner. And the way that you can check that is you could put like a Post-it or a piece of paper up into that corner. And if it goes on a straight angle around that edge of your paper, then you know that it's forming a right angle. Then if we look down here, this is called an acute angle. It is less than a right angle or smaller than a right angle. So we call it acute. Finally, on this shape over here, if we look at this circled angle, this is greater than the right angle, which we call an obtuse angle. So again, if we wanted to use the corner of a piece of paper, if we put it by the acute angle, we would be actually hiding that angle because it would be smaller than the right angle of our paper. If we put a piece of paper on the corner of this obtuse angle, we could see that it is larger than the corner of our piece of paper, so it would be called an obtuse angle.